All right, guys, welcome to another session of NQ. Let's get started. 15 minutes we've got until the market open. We've had CPI today. We had some CPI news. It's coming lower than expected. So market did pump initially on the news reaction, and now it's giving it back. I think we're still going to be bullish today. I think we're going to be bullish. I think we are going to retrace some of that drop yesterday. So I am again looking for long trade setups. We obviously have to size down today because the VIX is above midpoint. Okay, so we got to size down. Market struggling at the previous week point of control. It just keeps rejecting there 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Once we get up above that, for me the trade back to value area high is on. Okay, so that's what I'm kind of looking at today. I'm looking for dips to long. I was looking for a value area low tap here to go long, so maybe I will look for that again. So if I can see a drop coming, then yeah, I'm gonna go long on this. There's a lot of negative delta coming in right now, getting squeezed. But hopefully I can get this drop. I'm either going I'm looking for a long from here or from here. SPX would be 6800 to 6900. I think this is the area that the market is likely to stay within today. Okay, we just need to be careful. It's obviously Friday. Yesterday we had 3 losing trades, 1 winning trade. Was a pretty nasty day yesterday. So yeah, I'm trying to be a little bit cautious today. I don't want to end up blowing up or anything like that. Yeah, market's looking really bullish here. It looks very, very bullish. Yeah, there's a lot of shorts coming in here. I think this is tailor-made for a short squeeze to the upside. There's a lot of shorts coming in pre-market, so I do think we're gonna pump and squeeze all these shorts out. How's everyone in the chat today? So yeah, I might take a long at the open actually. I may take a long at the open. Yeah, because this is getting really like heavy negative delta. The shorts are not really they're getting completely absorbed right now. So I do think this drop is going to get eaten up. I really do. Well, that's what I'm kind of looking at today. I'm looking for a big move to the upside. My bias is bullish. I'm bullish today. I think we're gonna see a pretty large move higher. Yeah, this is just setting shorts up right now for them to get just absolutely squeezed, wrecked to the upside. This is looking bullish again. It's looking really bullish. We're gonna have to be patient on size down, especially the VIX this high. It's yeah. We've got to keep our stop losses pretty wide today. I want to see a top of this value area low here, a 710. 730s at the moment. I want a quick move into it and then I squeeze back higher. That's what I'm kind of looking at. Yeah, so let's see how the people in the chat are doing today. Where's Laughter? I want to know his bias. Laughter's probably bearish today. He's always bearish. See where the ES is. ES is bullish as well. Yeah, flat open. Very, very flat open. We've got a spike into the value area low there. Yeah, I think I'm gonna just go long here, guys. Yeah, I'm looking for a squeeze to the upside at the open, so I'm gonna go for it. Got 8 minutes left. Hi Charlie, how are you today? Yeah, so I'm expecting to move higher today. I'm expecting to move higher. Flat, you're flat, yeah. Because we're getting extremely negative delta. So if I show you this screen. All this, look at this negative delta here down here, and this is right before market opens. So I think all of this negative delta here is going to get squeezed out at the open. And if NQ manages to get above previous week point of control, I think we've got a chance of much higher prices today. The CPI is coming lower than expected as well, so we do have a reason to pump, an excuse. We've got 5 minutes until the open. Yeah, so there's a lot of liquidity to the upside as well. So the market really, I think, has a reason to go back up. And you can see we're not getting it much delta at the value area low here. This is the value area low of the day. Sweep London low. Yeah, possibly get moved down to London low, but I favor a move higher. I think the damage, the selling's already done, in my opinion. I think the selling's already done. I think market's likely to just squeeze all this negative delta that we're getting pre-market. I've seen the story many times before. So yeah, I'm banking on a long here based off that theory. But it may go down there. If we lose these levels, then yeah, it's gonna probably go down and sweep that London loan into the previous week value area low. That will be my next level that I'll be looking to long then. I've got a few minutes left until the open. So we pumped on the CPI news, and then we just gave it all back. A bit of a risky trade, but the order flow is telling me that you know, the shorts are in danger here. Pre-market shorting into the value area low. I mean, that's a recipe for disaster. So yeah, I think these guys are gonna get squeezed out at the open. Let's give it a couple of minutes until the open. If the bulls get above this VWAP here, it's game on. Right now they're struggling to get past it. But if they do, I'm expecting big things from this trade. Okay, just a couple of more minutes. They should at least get a top of 780s, right? Even if it does want to come down. Especially if it gets past this VWAP, which is currently struggling at, then it should be. I think it should be off to the races. And they're trying to squeeze shorts here. Get past that VWAP. Struggling there. It's just really struggling at the VWAP. Hey, Hitman. How's it going, brother? Alright, here we go. Open. Alright, we're pumping. Don't die on me, market. Do not die on me. Still in this. This is what I'm expecting. Little sweep down and then move higher. Let's see if it happens. Let's get past this VWAP again. Get stuck at the VWAP. Okay, let's go. Let's run it. This is a weird open right now. A really weird open. It's completely indecisive. Zero direction. Wow. It's completely zero direction. This is fucking crazy. What the hell is going on here? It's so bullish. It's so bullish, but somebody's absorbing. Let's go. Pump. There we go. Let's pump. Let's squeeze some of these bears out. Come on. Let's go. There we go. That's the pump that I was looking for. Come on, let's go. Keep going there. Pump them up. Pump them up. Let's go. Yeah. Pump them up. Let's go. Keep going. Let's go, Bulls. Keep the pump alive. Come on. Let's go. This is fucking wild, guys. This is a wild open. I haven't seen an open like this in a while. This is going to get super aggressive to the upside. The delta on this is absolutely insane right now. Wow. Delta is just so bullish. It's unbelievable. Longs are just getting squeezed like crazy. Guys, this is absolutely insane. This is absolutely insane. Wow. Wow, I haven't seen it open like this in a long time. Wow. This is fucking crazy. Unbelievable. Absolutely unbelievable. Wow. Yeah, this is fucking ridiculous, guys. This is absolutely fucking ridiculous. This should be pumping right now. This should be literally fucking pumping. NQ should be pumping his guts out right now, but it's not. Wow, this thing is just getting absorbed. Man, there's a seller sat there. Wow, there's some big sellers sat absorbing all this delta. This is wild. My God, this is crazy. How long are they going to be able to keep these bulls out though? I'm still staying in this trade. How long are they going to keep them out? That's the question. This fucking delta is insanely bullish right now. I'm going to stay long here, guys. Staying long. Yeah, I haven't seen price action like this in a long time. Almost feels like FOMC right now. Yeah, this is wild, guys. This is really wild. Yeah, how much more absorbing are these shorts going to do here? Before they finally just cave in. Man, they're just really absorbing these longs. This is wild. Wow. Yeah, laughter. Yeah, not liking the price. Not liking the action here. This is wild. Bulls are just getting absorbed. This is gonna, yeah, this is probably likely gonna fucking sell off. Yeah, this is wild. I'm just gonna wait here. Yeah, I'm gonna wait until SPX gets here. Okay, let's put you on here. This is disgustingly bearish. Yeah, it's going for London Node right now. Our tape is so fucking ridiculous. I'm not touching this right now. Alright. I'm waiting until SPX hits 6800 before I attempt anything here. Yeah, this is some serious nasty sell-off here. Really nasty. Okay, can SPX hold here? As ESR. This is the next area I have 450s. Yeah, it's looking like it's supporting here, so I'm gonna go long. Based off this bounce on SPX, yeah, that's nice. Okay, beautiful bounce. Beautiful. Oh, that's really nice. Huge bounce. Got about 70 points on it so far. 80 points. Oh, this is beautiful. Hundred and something points here. 108, 109 points, 114 points. Monster long, guys. Monster long. Beautiful. Beautiful. What a long that was. I'll take it off here, 100 points. That's beautiful. It's still going though. That was a great setup. Yeah, time to go up maybe. Yeah, I think so. I think it is time. Yeah, it's gone. Yeah, this thing's insanely bullish right now, guys. Insanely bullish. For crypto. Bitcoin's also pumping as well. Yeah, this thing's it's a rocket ship. So I got in about here, 600. Took it off at 700. And yeah, probably should have kept it on. Look at this thing now. Oof. Wow. Wow, this is crazy. That would have been a 250 point trade in like 3 minutes. Wild day, guys. Really wild day. Look at this thing. Look at this delta. Bam. This tape is. Look at how fast the tape is moving. I showed you there's so much volume and activity going on right now. Yeah, Charlie, well done, bro. Super the London low. That was it. That was it, my brother. Gets past this point of control, it's game on. I think we're going all the way up here. That's my target for today. And yeah, I said it in the pre-market, which I think Charlie was there. I said the market I think is going to be bouncing between 6,900 and 6,800 on the SPX. I think the market's going to be in here today. So yeah. Monster bounce of that big gamma level. That's a huge gamma level on the SPX. So that's where the trade was based off. Yeah. This screen. So pre-market I said we're likely to be in here today. 6,800 to 6,900 pivots. All right. Very nice. Yeah, this is crazy. That's a rocket ship. It's about to get. It's about to slum straight through the highs here. Yep, I was bullish today, yeah. Okay, a little fake out move to get everybody bullish again. At the highs. Yeah, pulling back here. After getting everyone bullish, it's a bit of a wild day. What a wild day. Wow, look at this thing. Yeah, Charlie, absolutely, man. There's people who trade just liquidity sweeps, and it's a very successful strategy. Very, very successful strategy. So yeah, at least you're picking up the right bits. We're good. Yeah, Laughter said it. You're a great noob. You certainly are. This is a really wild action though. Yeah, this looks like it's gonna get sold off again. Just keeps getting stuck at the previous point of control, the market today. Just can't seem to get past that level. Yeah, like Laughter saying, take your profits quick. This market is just moving up, down, up, down. This is crazy. There is so much liquidity here. Yep, traders are taking profits quick. They certainly are taking profits quickly. Up and down, up and down. Orderflow isn't really making any sense, to be honest. I feel like the bulls might blast through though. I get that feeling. After we're done with all this chop. Yeah, I told you guys at the start, right, that this is a wild open. Any plans for updating more education? I want to learn trading. Yeah, there will be a course coming out soon, Hitman. I'm working on something, so yeah, hopefully when I do get time, I'm gonna launch it. So stay tuned for that. I'll be sending out some updates in the Discord. So just stay tuned for that. It's coming soon, anyways. Because I think these concepts need to be explained a little bit more in detail, so you guys can just, you know, get the course and then learn all these concepts that you're watching on the screen. Yeah, Hitman. Just gonna pull out a course. You can go and grab it and then learn in your own time. It's gonna be just packaged together as one, so beginner stuff and advanced stuff. But yeah, stay tuned. It's coming soon. And another thing, guys, Payout Labs is a great tool for prop firm traders. So if you're trading prop firms, this is you plug in your prop firm login details. It's got a journal. It gives you all the stats for every single prop firm, so you don't have to log in individually. So it just keeps everything like really nice and neat and tidy. So I'm going to be partnering up with Payout Labs, and I will leave a link for you guys in the description for a 10% discount. Okay, so it'll tell you how much you've spent, how much you've made, basically your net profit for that particular prop firm. It also gives you a similar trading journal to TradeZella, which TradeZella is like, well, $40-50 a month. It's really expensive for, you know, for me that's a fucking ridiculous amount of money, right? For a piece of shit fucking calendar, right, where you're just making notes. Like, it doesn't make any sense. So yeah, that is coming soon. I'm partnering up with Payout Labs, and yeah, we're gonna be putting out some discounts for you guys. It's already cheap anyways. I think it's like $15-20 a month. A lot cheaper than fucking TradeZella. and you can keep all your prop firm stats in one. It's going to even show you how much you've spent and, you know, return on your investment and stuff like that. So it's really clever. All right, and Q deciding it's gonna move higher or what? What is Bitcoin doing? Yeah, pumping today. So Hitman, yeah, I said expecting a move up on Bitcoin. I think yeah, I'm long on spot. I think we're gonna get a move at least to 84, 85. At least this value area high here, 83k. Yeah, I definitely see a move on here in a three-wave structure. Traders are pricing in a higher chance of a Fed cut in June, so based off that CPI report, and that's going to be, you know, that's going to be changing a lot in the next few months, anyways. When we do get more data, let me just take a pause for a second, guys. I'll be back. All right, back, guys. Just a sec, guys. Hello, assalamu alaikum, Mr. Wali.
Hi, how are you?
Yeah, good. How are you?
Good, alhamdulillah.
Yeah.
I'm asking, are you buyer or one sale for another?
No, I am the buyer. My brother is the buyer. He wants to buy a property here in Dubai.
I don't need any commission, no like this, right?
No. I don't need any commission.
So at 590, we can sell out, okay?
You want 590, yeah?
Yeah, so I update just our update, okay? 590 without commission, without anything, we fix.
You got any other units, Mr. Walid, as well, or is it just one?
Huh?
You have any other units as well, or just the one?
Yeah.
Just this one, yeah? Right, cool. I'll go up and see it tomorrow. If that's not if that's any good to you. Alright, cool. Yeah, tomorrow I'll go up there and I'll give you a call before I go, yeah? You're only meant for your own salary. Alright? Okay, salam alaikum. Alright, guys. Any approx date when we get, just bear with me, Hitman. Just bear with me. I'll get an update out soon, to you soon. Yo, Anthony, what's going on? You're the hot mic moment. What does that mean? Anthony, you've been watching this price action? It's fucking absolutely crazy. Alright, okay. Yeah, I caught it, bro. We caught this long from the bottom here for 100 points. I think the market's going to continue pumping today. If we can get above the previous point of control, I think it's game on. To the value area high. It's gonna pump like crazy in my opinion. So yeah, I'm gonna remain bullish. I think higher prices are gonna come. Yeah, it's been beautiful though, man. This price action that long especially, it's been really nice. Can the bulls finally crack through? Oh, nice one, Anthony. Well done, bro. You should be very close to a payout there now. On those accounts. Fucking inching closer and closer. You smashed it yesterday as well. Off the short. Yeah. Really happy with today. Really happy. Definitely made up for the few losses yesterday. 3 losses, 1 win. So yeah, net profit down to 2 losses on the day. $980 says Laughter. What you got? What do you see up here? Like 980. Where is 980? Okay, so Laughter says 980. Okay, actually, Target practice. Okay, what do you see here? Tell me, Laughter. What do you see at 980 that you're saying is target practice? You mean sweep of these highs? These? Into here? Is that what you're looking at? I think Laughter only plays like liquidity sweeps, huh? Laughter? I think that's what you're doing, huh? Yeah, come on, Laughter. I know we're always joking. I want to know what you're seeing up there. Tell me what you see. What you seen at 980. I want to know your thinking. Do any of you guys know if Apex has consistency rules on their funded account? Let me know, guys, if you guys know. Yeah, Bears had their day yesterday, yeah. And obviously CPI came in softer, so it gives the market reason to pump. 30%, okay. Lucid Trading, that guy's the man with payout labs, guys. So he's gonna kindly share a discount code for us all. Okay, so 30, okay, yeah, 30%, 30%. Payout Labs, he knows his stuff. He has a prop firm website where you can go, you can put all your details for your prop firms. It gives you your profit and loss, how much you spent on that particular prop firm. Then it gives you all your prop firm stats as well, how far you are from payout, etc. It's also got a really nice trading journal as well. So code Khan20, guys. Get in there. It's a very nice system he's got going on. So yeah, keep everything in one place. See all your prop firm stats in one place, guys. It's got trading journal as well, and the price is just fucking phenomenal, right? It's like, how much is it again? Elusive Trading per month, about $10-12 a month, right? And then you get 20% off with the code. So yeah, take advantage, guys. TradeZilla out there is charging $50 a month for a fucking trading journal. It's ridiculous, guys. I'd rather use the fucking spreadsheet. Yeah, there you go, guys. $10 a month. That's fantastic. Oh, nice, man. Getting rejected again. Just cannot seem to get past the previous week point of control. Fucking ridiculous. So auto syncing, so how's that going to work? Auto syncing your stats like on a daily basis, where you don't have to like you don't have to sync it, it just does it automatically. BTC is pumping as well, guys. Wow, that is a game changer, brother. Lucid trading, that is amazing. So guys, get on this website. It's a fantastic tool. I'm telling you that right now. Stop paying $50 for TradeZella. That's ridiculous in my opinion. For a fucking journaling software, it's absolutely ludicrous in my opinion. That price. I used it for a week. I was like, what the fuck is this? This is ridiculous. I can just record these stats myself. So he's got a journal built into the website as well. So yeah, go check that out, guys. You're gonna love that website. Market is just all over the place right now. It's having a hard time making up its mind. Yeah, market's struggling today with any form of direction. Bears are stubborn, says Laughter. What's going on with silver? Let's check out some gold and silver. Okay, silver. Where it's got a small pump today. It's not exactly small, but compared to what it's been doing recently. Okay, so 72 is the target for Bitcoin on here. Yeah, I think bulls will get through eventually. It's just whipsawing both bears and bulls. I do think bulls will eventually get there though. Come on, NQ, give us a direction, God's sake. This is fucking insanely bullish though. Man. There's gotta be a lot of iceberg orders today just absorbing all these longs because there's so many longs. The delta is absolutely insane. Look at this thing. This delta, all this positive delta is just getting absorbed and the price not moving higher. It's just pretty suspect here. Are they just collecting all these longs to just slam it down? It's a possibility, guys. It's a possibility. I wouldn't be surprised to see it. Yeah, because the bulls are just not really getting anywhere, huh? What do you think, guys? You traded this mess? It's a big mess, though. Because these spikes have been massive in size, right? 150, 160 point moves in just like 5 minutes. It's crazy. Damn. This looks small. But yes, 6,800. Okay. Yeah. 6,800 is the previous week LVN. So that's one of the big levels I've got for a possible long trade. But the SPX was beautiful hedge pressure long. So yeah, yes, you're right. It could come here. SPX, sorry, could come here and then start moving higher later. But who knows? How much absorbing are the limits going to do here to keep all these bulls out? Because this is insanely bullish delta. So I'm not sure. Just keeps on getting rejected at the previous week point of control. Can't seem to get through it. Then we have to contend with the naked point of control from yesterday at the 900s. Get past that, and then I think we've got a shot to 190. It keeps coming back to these highs and then getting dropped again. This is crazy. Yeah, 30 minutes looking bullish, yeah. The order flow is insanely bullish. Somebody just keeps on selling at the previous week point of control. They're not letting this price move. I think if they get past it, it's going to be a big move higher. I think that's when you're gonna see real liquidations. And it's just gonna go bam, and it's just gonna shoot so high. Powering through here. Yeah, pressure cooker, I know. Absolutely. Yeah, as soon as if it gets past convincingly this, the daily high and this previous week point of control, it's gonna go rocket in my opinion. I don't think it's gonna be a sweep and then a rejection. I think it's gonna keep going. Well, again, another pullback at the previous week point of control. Come on, boss, do it. Yeah, it's going for it, guys. There we go. Let's see if we can get through. There it goes. Very close to the daily high now. Yeah, there it goes. There it goes, guys. Yep, there it goes. Oh, wow. Right, through the previous week point of control now. It should really spike. Man, this is bullish. If you ever seen some bullish delta, this is what it looks like. This is absolutely insane. I haven't seen bullish delta like this in a while, guys. In a while. This is fucking crazy. So 820 now should be support. Let's see, yes. Yes, I think do the same thing. Yeah, held the previous week value area low. You see here. Held it. Yeah, I was bullish pre-market, but then fucking this chop is just like, what's going on here, you know? I was bullish because the delta was so bullish. Delta was insanely bullish. I haven't seen delta like that in a while. But now we should just keep going. Now I expect this to really push, because we're through that major resistance. We're through it. Yeah, you see that we're through it now. This should just go. Yeah. There it goes. Bam. into the previous day point of control. Might get a small rejection here. There you go, guys. BTC pumping, yeah, it's up 4% now. Hell yeah, Team Crypto. Amazing, bro. Love to see it. Love to see the guys making some money today. After yesterday, fucking a bit of a gnarly day. ES is a bit weaker than NQ, but really beautiful price action on ES. The fact that I held the previous week value area low here. You see that, beautiful. Again, a little pullback from the previous day point of control on the NQ. As long as, you know, it doesn't lose value area high on the previous week point of control, that should act as support now. And I think we got a chance all the way to 25,180 today. It may not happen instantly, but I think by MOC time it should be up here if I can hold this level. But the shorts are really getting punished today. It's time to punish some bears. Man, this is fucking crazy. Wow, what a pump. What a pump, guys. This is beautiful. ETH up 5%. Bitcoin's up 4.5%. RTY's rocketing, says Laughter. .35% on the RTY. Beautiful. Silver up, gold up a little bit. Risk on today. VIX is starting to get sold off. Beautiful. Beautiful. What a trade. Yeah, I think ES is also got an opportunity to get to the previous week point of control as well. 69.34. Hell yeah, Laughter. Hell yeah. Your target practice is almost here. 980, not far. We just hit 930. Fucking amazing. $10 years down. Dixie's actually green today. Thank you, Lucid Trading. Thanks for the partnership. I'm sure the guys in here will really enjoy the platform. They'll get a lot of benefits from it. Thank you, Lucid. Yeah. Bit more energy from me today because I finished work early. So, you know how it goes, Fridays. So I finished work early, came home early today, and yeah, I've got a lot more energy today. Looking forward to resting this weekend. What about you boys? What's the plan, guys? Doing anything this weekend? Been a hectic week. For streaming, working. But it's good. I still really enjoy both aspects of both jobs, really. But I must say I love trading more than real estate. Yeah. What they can, you know, you could say they cross over a little bit because, you know, economics and what's going on in the market has interest rates and stuff like that has a big impact on real estate as well. So when you're talking to clients and you know stock market performance, and when you tell them you invest in the stock market, they're like, wow, this guy's impressive. He knows his shit. 737. How can it be 730? No, it's not 737. Are you in the West Coast? Oh, you're in California, right? Damn, that's fucking super early. 7:37 a.m. So what time does the stock market open over there in the West Coast? It's 7:38 right now here, PM. LA, yeah, damn, man. So you gotta wake up what? 5? Oh, sorry, 6? 6:30 a.m. Damn, man. Wow, I couldn't do that. That's crazy. Okay, market's selling off pretty heavy here. We need the 820s to hold. So this is the area we need to hold. Okay. I drop below that and it's not going to be looking very good. If it drops in here and starts consolidating, I think that's next. As long as this holds, we should be alright. Bulls are stepping back in a bit. This is the first fucking negative delta candle in 5, 10, 15, 20. 45 minutes of straight bullishness. Crazy. The only issue is, the lower this goes, the more bulls they have trapped. So max pain would be to crush these bulls now. It would be. Really would be max pain. If they do crush him, I think this thing is gonna collapse. Because that's so much bullish delta here. If the bulls can't hold and this keeps going down, yeah, this is gonna get nasty. But they gotta hold here. It's a big level right now. Come on, bulls, you gotta hold this level. on, bulls. Gotta hold it. Gotta hold this level, bulls. Come on. Yeah. Coming in here. Bulls are stepping in on the tape. Go on, bulls. Go on, bulls. I don't think this is a bad place to get a possible long trade. Oh, they're losing it though. Don't fall back within value. Do not fall back within value. Come on, bulls. Yeah, I'm going to go along here. Come on, bulls, you gotta hold this level. Just a second, guys. Yeah, it's not looking too clever now. Nasty. We're at the VWAP. Yeah, this is not looking too good. Really not looking good at all. Let's see how it plays out. Yeah, this is not good, guys. This is not good. Yeah, the trap. This was all a trap. Fuck. This is crazy. Wow. All that bullish delta was a fucking trap. Can you believe that? Yeah, they're cooked. They're cooked. The bulls are cooked, guys. Yeah, they're cooked. They're cooked. Well done. They trapped him. Really nice. Yeah, I think they've got him where they want him now. Oh, really? The market's closed on Monday. I didn't know that. Thanks for that, Laughter. Alright, bulls are trying to step in. But I don't think they're going to get very far here, guys. I think this thing is toast. This is toast, guys. They trapped longs. This is all a fucking trap. It was all a bull trap. Wow. Yeah, I think this is gonna just go now, guys. I think it's gonna break the lows. It looks, it doesn't look good for the bulls. They look toast. They look toast, guys. Could get a bounce back up to the value area high here. I expect a rejection at 820. RTY is the strength, yeah. Impossible to tell what's going on here. Yeah, soon as we lost this level, I think it was toast for the bulls. Yeah, everything getting sold. Yeah, let's see what happens here. Which is interesting to see. Alright, they're pumping it again. This week, for me personally, has been pretty tough to trade. Yeah, it hasn't been very good. Monday, Tuesday, didn't find anything. Wednesday, I think, yeah, we did well on Wednesday. Did pretty bad yesterday, and then today, at the open, got one loss, small loss. Then took this big long, and now took this long, got out for a loss on this. So it's been a pretty break-even week, I'd say. So yeah, I need to review this week and see what happened. Well, really, the market really hasn't done much this week, has it? So this was Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Yeah, we kind of just went sideways until today and yesterday. So we was pretty much sideways, and then even yesterday that big sell-off was the only deviated move away. But you can see we traded within previous week value, previous week high and low. So we really haven't moved much this week. Yesterday was the big, last week was the big week. This week we traded inside of the previous week high and low. So it's not been for me anyways, personally, it hasn't been an easy week. Okay, Monday is a holiday, says Laughter. Okay, nice to know. Just 3-day weekend, 3-day rest. That's cool. As the VIX spiking again, yeah, it's holding the midpoint. So yeah, I couldn't get ultimately bullish until we get below midpoint. Bitcoin rejected off the point of control. Yeah, right on the nose. Look at that. Bam. I think if we get that, there's a trade back to the value area high. 83, 84k. Okay, yeah. Prop firms have a short day Monday, yeah. Yeah, I mean, I don't think I'll bother streaming on a half day or a day that's closed. It's not really worth trading. Yeah, so that's the review for the week. Yeah, market is remaining, starting to go higher, but it needs to really hold this 820s level if it's going to get bullish. But difficult to tell what they want to do here. I'm gonna, yeah, I've had a decent day, and I'm gonna, yeah, probably call it here. Been streaming for about an hour and a half now, and yeah, I think that's enough. But if you ask me, I think it's gonna go down. If I was to have a bias, I think it's gonna go down, guys. The fact that we wasn't able to hold 820, that was not a good sign. Yeah, good stream, man. It's been fucking at least some action. Monday, Tuesday was completely dead, but at least we got some action in the last few days. Even though maybe they've not been the best trades, but at least we have traded and, you know, had some banter with you guys, and we traded, you know, it's been good. At least we haven't blown up or done anything really crazy or stupid. So yeah, that's good. But yeah, guys, that's been the review for this week. You guys should also review your week, what kind of week you've had. Review all your performance, your trades. That's a really good habit to get into. Yeah, I've just done that for you today, for myself, and then yeah, you guys should do the same. What kind of week you guys had, what you learned from it, and what you're gonna do better for next week. Okay, cool, guys. Thank you very much for your time. Very good, Laughter. Very good. Congratulations, man. Not blowing an account is always a good day. Okay. So yeah, guys, well done. Thank you for all for joining, and I will see you back here at the same time on Tuesday. Okay, since the market is closed on Monday. So I'll see you guys on Tuesday. Have a good weekend. Stay safe out there, traders. Peace.